I've been exploring the Bank of America Roth IRA for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's start with the basics. The Bank of America Roth IRA is a retirement account designed to help you grow your savings with some serious tax advantages. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars, meaning you pay taxes on the money now. But your investments grow tax-free, plus your withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free, as long as you're at least 59 and a half and your account has been open for 5 years. Now let's talk about the contributions. For 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 if you're under 50 or $8,000 if you're 50 or older across all your IRAs combined. But there are some income limitations. For instance, if you're a single filer making $165,000 or more, or a married couple filing jointly making $246,000 or more, you can't contribute directly to a Roth IRA in 2025. So it's a great option if you're within that income range and want to lock in tax-free growth. When it comes to flexibility, the Bank of America Roth IRA shines the most. You can withdraw your contributions at any time, tax and penalty-free, which adds a layer of liquidity you won't find in most other retirement accounts. And unlike traditional IRAs or 401ks, there are no required minimum distributions, so your money can keep growing as long as you want. Additionally, Bank of America offers both Roth IRA savings accounts and investment IRAs, so you can choose between a simple FDIC-insured savings option or invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds through Merrill, which is its investment arm. The online account setup is straightforward, and you can manage your IRA alongside your other Bank of America accounts for convenience. Now let's touch on its fees. Bank of America doesn't charge an account opening fee for Roth IRAs, and there are no monthly maintenance fees for customers under 25. However, if you invest through Merrill, you'll want to keep an eye on investment-related fees and fund expenses, which can vary depending on your choices. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the interest rates on Bank of America's Roth IRA savings accounts are generally lower than what you might find at online banks or credit unions. So if you're looking for higher growth, you'll probably want to invest through Merrill instead of sticking with a savings IRA. And as with any Roth IRA, you don't get a tax deduction for your contributions. So the main benefit is all about tax-free growth down the road. To sum it up, the Bank of America Roth IRA is a solid, flexible way to save for retirement, especially if you're already banking with them and want everything in one place. But if you're chasing the highest interest rates or the lowest investment fees, you might want to explore other options. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.